how to use enter button to change the line on WhatsApp web. If you're chatting with someone on WhatsApp web and whenever you type in a particular message, let's say any sort of message, and then you hit the enter key, it is actually sending that message over here. Now you don't want it to send the message, you only want it to go to the next line. So for that, after you type in your message, let's say now you want to use the enter key. Instead of just pressing the enter key, make sure to press shift plus enter. So just press shift plus enter, and when you do that, you can see now I'm on the next line and I can type in whatever it is that I want to type it. So instead of just pressing enter, you select shift and enter and just hit the arrow button to send the message, and like that you'll be able to send message on WhatsApp web using the enter key. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.